If you own or manage an RV park, I want to ask you something. How much time did you spend this week chasing down rent payments? How many maintenance requests got lost in a text thread? How many residents had no idea about the event you planned because the flyer blew off the bulletin board? If any of that sounds familiar, I want to introduce you to the NTK Platform, a complete all-in-one management system built specifically for RV resort communities. Not a generic tool, not a spreadsheet with a logo, built from the ground up for parks like yours. Every lot, every resident, every lease, organized and accessible from anywhere. Billing is automated. Residents get invoices, you get paid, no more chasing. The system handles it. Maintenance requests come in through the resident portal, get assigned to your staff, and get tracked from open to closed. Your lot map is live and interactive, occupied, available, reserved, all in real time. No more paper maps, no more guessing. And here's what really sets this apart. Your residents get a full community website, events, announcements, a discussion board, photo uploads, and maintenance requests, all in one place. They feel connected. They feel like they are part of something, because they are. For prospective residents, the front end is a full marketing tool. Aerial photos, amenity galleries, event calendars, a reserve your lot form. Everything a prospect needs to fall in love before they ever set foot on the property. The NTK platform is not just software. It is the infrastructure for a thriving, community-first RV resort. The demo is live, the platform is ready, and your residents deserve better than a bulletin board.